Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what digital planning is. I'm going to introduce you guys to GoodNotes and just how to get started with digital planning. So before we begin, I want to differentiate. So just to make things a bit easier, I'm going to call digital planning what you write on in your iPad with the stylus or an Apple Pencil. I'm going to call that digital planning. And then things like ClickUp, Asana, online apps, I'm going to call that online planning, just to kind of separate the digital planning. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about digital planning. Okay, so digital planning is a PDF, a hyperlinked PDF, which you can put into your tablet or your phone or your iPad, and then you can write directly on it using a PDF annotation app such as GoodNotes, Notability, NoteShelf, Zoto, MetaNote, and stuff like that. So you have to have an app that you can annotate PDFs on. And then you get your hyperlinked PDF from Etsy shops or my shop. And then those PDFs have tabs that are linked to different pages of the planner so that you can, kind of digitally flip to those pages automatically. So that's what a digital planner is. So what you need to get started with digital planning is a smart device. You can use it on your phone, but you are going to be limited with space. It's going to be really small. But you can ultimately use these GoodNotes app on the iPhone as well. Or if you have a smartphone like Android, you can also use an alternative PDF annotation app. The other thing that you're going to need is your hyperlinked PDF planner. So I have one in my shop that's dated from June of this year to May of next year. And it has lots of tabs and you can click through to each one. So you need that. And then the last thing you'll need is a stylus or an Apple Pencil. So this is just so that you can write easier on your iPad or your phone. For a while I was using a cheap stylus. So this is the one I bought for my phone. It was just called Active Stylus Pen. It worked great. You had to charge it. It was Bluetooth and it connected to my phone and it worked pretty good. But ultimately I got an iPad because the iPhone was just too small. But if you want, you can even just type in the planner using the app. So that's what you need to get started. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about how to get your planner into your smart device. So if you are downloading from Etsy, you can't get your downloads, your digital downloads from the Etsy app. You have to go into Google Chrome or Safari to open up the browser and then get your purchased downloads through there. And then you can import it into GoodNotes. So the apps, I'm going to list them all out here so that you can see for yourself which apps you want. So before you buy a planner, I highly suggest that you just download these apps. Some of these apps are free, some aren't. GoodNotes is $7.99, but the cool thing about GoodNotes is that you have a single purchase and it's you can get it on your iPad, your MacBook, your iMac, all with just a single purchase. So if you get GoodNotes, I think it's a great deal. You get it and you can sync it up to everything. Everything will automatically be updated on all of your devices. So that's why I really love the GoodNotes app. It was only $7.99 and I love all the features, and a lot of the Etsy shops who make sticker books and such, they use GoodNotes, so it's already automatically perfect for that app. Okay, so the other thing that I wanted to mention is that when you get your planner in your app, your GoodNotes app, one of the main things I see a lot of people have trouble with is that when is that they can't click. So in order to make sure that you are able to click through the planner, you have to make sure that you are not in editing mode. So be sure to just click this. So if this is on, the toolbar is on, and you see this symbol right here in the corner, then that means you are in editing mode. So you see now I can't click on anything. So in order to get back into the clickable mode, you have to click on this pencil with a line through it. So once you click that, then everything is clickable again. Okay. So that's how to get into editing mode versus view mode. So when you're in editing mode, you can't click it, but once you get out of editing mode, then the tabs become clickable. And then you can just swipe. And then another thing that I wanted to share is in order to make your pages flip like this, instead of scrolling up and down, you simply just click on these 3 dots in the corner right here, and then you're gonna go down under the settings line right here. You're gonna see scrolling direction, and just click on that, and then you can have the option of making it scroll horizontal or vertical. I like doing horizontal because it makes me feel like I am flipping the pages of a planner. So that's another thing that I wanted to add. Okay, so that is the main things that I wanted to talk about with getting started in the GoodNotes app and getting started with digital planning. I hope this video was useful for you. And if you guys have any questions, be sure to just let me know down in the comments, or email me, or message me on Instagram. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you guys like my planner and you want to get started on digital planning, be sure to check out my shop. I'll link it down below.